first Fortnum and Mason Advent calendar sold out very, very quickly. So I bought the second ever one. That was priced at £195. Last year's was priced at £245. This year's is priced at £260. So that is a £15 price increase from last year, and a £65 price increase from their first one. Now, the 2023 Fortnum & Mason Advent Calendar is supposedly worth more than £1,000 and is priced at £260, as I said. The calendar looks like that, very, very pretty. I'm happy with that. So let's look at the contents, because, I'm having a long day today with a lot of filming. So the first product, Aqua di Parma Arancia Di Capri Body Lotion, 75 ml. Now 200 ml is full size, so I'm not going to count it. You also get the shower gel of this. Right, the next product, Aromatherapy Associates Revive Bath and Shower Oil, 55 ml indeed, full size, retailing at 55 quid. The next product is from the same brand, De-Stress Bath and Shower Oil, 55 quid, also full sized. Now I don't know why they've gone and put two Aromatherapy Associates shower oils, full sized, in the same advent calendar, but Fortnum & Mason has a lot of niche brands and, a lot of bath and body products, and they tend to send out, two or more products from the same brand. So I'm not, complaining about this. This isn't nitpicking. The next product is from Bramley. It is the Bubble Bath. 250 ml is full-sized, which is indeed what you get, and that retails at £18. You also get the Lily Sleep Spray, 100 ml, indeed full-size, from the same brand, also 18 quid. So as I said, they tend to send out two products from the same brand. The next product, though not very exciting, eye mask from Charlotte Posner. Apparently, Charlotte Posner's silk eye masks retail at £38 for an eye mask. Right. You also get a makeup bag from the same brand, which apparently retails at £32. Oh dear. The next one, though, is a good one. Nice brand there, Cult 51. You get the Oxygen Mask, full-sized indeed, at 50 ml, which retails at £110. Also included from Cult 51 is the Day Cream, 50 ml indeed, full-sized, retailing at £110. I think we're well past the cost of the Advent calendar here. Next you have from Delilah the Travel Brush Set, which retails at £38. Also from Delilah you get the Eyebrow Liner, full-sized indeed, retailing at 22 quid. Next you have from Dream Distillery. Stay tuned for seeing more of this brand in other advent calendars. Moonlit Illuminating Mask, 15 ml you get. However, 15 ml is full-size, so I'm not going to count it. This is a CBD-based brand. Product. Right, next you get from Espa the Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Mask, full-sized indeed, retailing at £36. Next you have from Fortnum & Mason, Four Seasons Clementine Votive Candle, 75 grams. That is actually full-sized, retails at £28. From the same brand, that is Fortnum & Mason themselves, Garden Song Hand Cream, 50 ml you get, which is indeed full-sized and retails at 20 quid. Next you have Cura Bazaar's Bubble Wee Nail Polish, 10 ml, which is full-size and retails at £13.33. Next you have from La Bouche Rouge Nude Lip Pencil, full-size, retailing at £26. A lip pencil, I'd rather have got a lipstick, Next you have from Lauren Dickinson Clark Provocateur Votive Candle, 70 grams. 200 grams is full-size, which retails at 60 quid. This retails at £32. It looks cute. Next you have from Maison Martin Poom Poom EGP, 15 ml you get, but full-size is 50 ml. Now I'm going to count it, although the packaging is very, very pretty. Next you have the Otto Cleansing Jam Exfoliator, 25 ml you get. 100 ml is full size, not going to count it. This was also there in the Liberty Advent Calendar, people. From the same brand, you also get the Sleep Drops, 15 ml, full-sized, which retails at £69. And this for me is a big dot in this Advent calendar, because that is actually oral CBD drops. So you take them orally, CBD product, to sleep well at night. I think that's a lawsuit waiting to happen. No. Next you have from Olverum, no, not the usual bath oil, Firming Body Moisturizer. You get 30 ml. However, 200 ml is full size, so not going to count it. Next you have from Orodigia 4 sets of bath salts, all 75 grams a piece. 500 grams is full size, not going to count it. Get the Ambra Nera, Fico d'India, Florio and Zagara bath salts, 4 different ones. If you like your bubble baths and your bath salts, or you could use them to do at-home pedicures, foot soaks. Next you have from Brooke Wild Beauty the Protecting Day Cream with Blue Tansy Oil, 15 mils you get full size is 60 mils, not going to count it. From the same brand, protecting facial oil with bakuchiol, only 10 mils. 30 mils is full size, not going to count it. 30 mils is what you see in the picture over there. Lastly, from Wildsmith, super active, super eye serum, 15 mils you get full sized indeed, retailing at £90. So you get 30 products actually in this advent calendar, but some of them, you get multiples within the same door, particularly the ones which are from the same brand, yeah? Now let's count the full sizes. 2 Aromatherapy Associates products, 2 Bramley products, so that's 4, 2 Charlotte Posner products, that's 6, 2 Cult 51 products, 8, Delilah 2 products, 10, Espa 1, 11, Fortnum and Mason 2 products, 13, Kurebasa 14, La Bouche 15, Otto Sleep Drops 16, and Wildsmith 17. 17! I wasn't expecting to find even 15 in here that were full size. So seeing 17 full size products, excellent, well done. The only problem that I have with this advent calendar is that the price tag is a bit unaffordable for me, I mean, I would love this calendar, but I definitely can't afford it. I'm having to budget, 50 quid I spend per month on everything, all the treats, books, beauty, whatever. So yeah, even if I did save up and save up and save up, 260 quid is really too much for me. Otherwise, I'd love this calendar. It is very bath and body and skincare centric, but then, that's a big treat of the year, lots and lots of luxe products. Right, price breakdown, what am I on about? Aromatherapy Associates, the 2 products, 110 quid, Bramley 18 and 18, that gives you 146. I'm not going to count the eye mask and the makeup bag because 38 quid for an eye mask offends my budgeting senses. I didn't used to budget, you know that on this channel, but financial crisis, cost of living problems, people. Right, Cult 51, the 2 products, 110 quid a piece. You get 366 pounds. 366 pounds. Delilah travel brush set, that is £38, and the eyebrow liner, £22. So you get £426. Espa mud mask, £36. That gives you £462. Fortnum and Mason votive candle and hand cream, you get £510. The nail polish, £13.33. You get £523.33. Nude lip pencil from La Bouche, you get, that is £26, you get £549.33. Sleep drop, 69 quid, £618.33. Lastly, that Wildsmith product, the eye serum, 90 quid, you get £708.33, and that is not counting the makeup bag or the eye mask. So 17 full-size products, £708.33 without counting 2 of those products. Not bad at all. I think this will sell out, actually. This will sell out. There are a couple of duds here. The eye mask for one, and oral CBD drops. Oral anything is bad for me in a beauty advent calendar, and sleep drops. I'm not a huge fan of that pillow spray, the sleep spray from Bramley. That is actually a pillow spray, people. But yeah, I mean, I live with a full-sized pillow spray over, oral anything, oral CBD drops. So yeah, there are a couple of duds, but the usual suspects are not here. There's no NARS Mini Orgasm Blush or, Eve Lom or, Ico eyeliner or Dr. Pawpaw or Augustina's Beta cream or even Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom cream or any of those, those usual suspects, and Paula's Choice, 2% beach. All of those are not here. It is bath and body centric and skincare centric. I mean, I'm not a fan of the CBD drops and the eye mask or the makeup pouch, repeat, or the sleep spray. But when you have 30 products, you are allowed 4 or 5 duds. Will I buy it? I'd love to, but I can't. I genuinely can't. No, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. At least not if I can afford Christmas gifts. If they priced it at 195, I would have saved and scrimped for it, but not at 260 quid, My very budgety, mingy little mindset, which is the result of the financial crisis, that started from the pandemic's time, won't allow it. Sorry. But I think this is a good one, and, if you can afford it, definitely treat yourself. Do let me know if you are getting it, because I'd love to live vicariously through you, at least. I'd love to see some pictures as well. So, what do you think of the Fortnum and Mason Advent Calendar? I think this has some very different products, and is quite luxurious there. lots and lots that we can use. So will you be buying this advent calendar? Do let me know all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.